great ideas that will make any vertical garden spectacular. If you've got a green thumb, there's nothing more satisfied than growing your own fruits and veggies. Investing in a home garden can save you tons of money and spare you endless visits to the grocery store. However, not all of us live in places where having a sprawling garden is a viable option. If you live in a crowded neighborhood or in an apartment building, finding even a small patch of outdoor space can be tricky. That's where vertical gardens come in. Turns out you don't need a lot of space to grow your own fruits and vegetables after all. Here are some great ideas to get you started. 1. Growing a vertical garden doesn't just solve space problems. Vertical gardens can protect your plants from animals and disease. It doesn't need to be fancy to work. Just look at how this gardener used PVC pipes to form their garden. 2. This might look like stacks of window boxes, but look a little bit closer and you'll see that this vertical garden is constructed using old gutters. Cleaning out gutters is a real pain, but not when they're jam-packed with fun plants growing in there. 3. Wooden pallets have all sorts of different uses, but perhaps none so neat as serving as the frame for your vertical garden. It's almost like watching your plants grow out of a tree. 4. Growing heavy fruits like watermelon might not seem possible with a vertical garden, but with a little brain power, it's a breeze. Create support hammocks like these for your heavy fruits and let them while away the summer days as they ripen. 5. Using bamboo poles to form trellises for your beans is just as attractive as it is functional. Not only will it keep your legumes elevated, it will act as a beautiful piece of living decoration throughout the growing season. 6. Cucumbers love to sprawl and take up space in any garden. Elevating them onto a trellis is a great way of keeping them contained without cutting them back. Plus, dangling cucumbers are pretty hilarious. 7. To grow rich, vibrant tomato plants, all you need is a roll of twine. It's true, using string to guide your growing tomato plants will help them grow tall and proud. You'll be amazed at just how tall they can grow to be. 8. Rebar, as pictured below, is usually reserved for construction sites, but it makes a great guide for a growing tomato plant. You're probably used to seeing tomatoes grow in cages, but the truth is, cages can restrict their growth, and stakes like these are much more helpful in growing your tomato plant to its full potential. There are so many options out there for a plucky urban gardener, so don't let a lack of space keep you from having the garden of your dreams. Share these creative tips with your friends below.